Prepping our face is the most important part of our beauty routine. If we don't prep our face and make it last forever, doesn't matter how much makeup or where you buy your makeup or what makeup you're using, your skin is going to pay for that. And today in this video, I'm going through on how I prepped my skin. So catch the full video below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And next time, grab your makeup bag and we'll do this together. I'm your girl, Kim. We'll catch you on the rebound. Hi everyone. We're gonna get ready this morning and we're gonna use our Miracle Set. This is our new formula and there are a couple of steps to it. One, basically our 4-in-1 cleanser. It will do 4 things. And then we're going to use our daytime cream, which is our defender. And then it has sunscreen in it. And then we're going to use our moisturizer. There's different steps in different ways, whether it's night or day. But today we're going to do the normal daytime routine. So I'm just going to start by getting my face wet and wash it. I'm not going to speak while this is going because of the water running, so let's get ready. I'm going to use our Skin Vigorate Sonic Brush. The reason I'm using that is because it helps get into my pores deep down and into any of my problem areas. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get my face wet and I'm gonna get this wet and then I'm gonna put the actual 4-in-1 cleanser on my face. A good way to measure is just put it from your here to the tip of your finger. I'm using the combination because my skin is combination. Skin's Vigorate Sonic Brush has 1,000 little bristles and it's sonic, so it's like cleaning your jewelry. When you put it in a sonic cleaner, just high volume vibrates it and it does the same thing with your skin. Very lightly, don't push hard. If I was doing this directly over the sink with the water running, I would have rinsed it and it will shut off when it needs to. Always pat your skin dry. Don't rub it, don't pull it, just pat it. Let's talk a little bit about the 4-in-1 cleanser. What does that 4-in-1 cleanser do, right? The benefits of it are it cleanses, it exfoliates, it tones, and it freshens. So when you get done and you let it dry, you'll feel a little bit of a tingling and a cooling feeling, and that's good. That's what you're supposed to, because we don't rinse with cold water, so therefore we need to let our skin cool down from the hot water we use and then go ahead from there and go to our next step. So we're gonna go ahead, and the day cream, when you're doing the daytime, you always use the moisturizer next, okay? Good thing to remember is start with the thinnest and you work your way up. So the moisturizer basically is all you need, and we're gonna dab it. I'm not putting it anywhere around my eyes. You'll notice that I stay away from my eyes, and the reason is because this is not designed to be that close to your eyes. One of the things that I love to use is my massaging head that goes on my Skin Vigorate brush, but it's probably at my dressing table. So we are just gonna let it go. And then I am also going to get out our eye cream. I love to use the Repair eye cream because of the applicator and because of the ingredients. Your skin is so fragile around your eye. You see, I flipped this head around and massage it in and hydrate that skin because it's so dry. It's getting very dry nowadays because of the weather change here. So now we're going to follow up with so the moisturizer that I put on is going to hydrate my skin for 12 hours. So at nighttime, you're going to do it again. You're going to wash your face. You're going to put on you're going to cleanse it with the cleanser. And then you're going to use the nighttime recovery, which is full of little beads. You can see the little micro beads in there. When you squirt this onto your hand, because it's thinner, it goes right on your skin surface before your moisturizer. And then this will help recover your skin. Very lightweight. People love this. But we're going to go ahead and do our day. And I'm just going to do 2 pumps. This has our broad spectrum SPF of 30. And then when I go back over to our dressing, I will follow up. We'll fix our hair later. But that is our TimeWise Miracle Set. So let's talk about some of the benefits, all right? Not only did we use the 4-in-1 cleanser, but we also used the antioxidant moisturizer. And the antioxidant moisturizer is going to give you that hydration that you need. It doesn't add oil to your skin. It adds hydration. Okay, there's a difference, a really big difference. And because this is powered by our patent TimeWise 3D complex, which is in every ingredient or every product of that Miracle Set, it's going to support all of our skin's critical needs during the day and unique functions at the night. So it's going to help prevent our premature skin aging, which we really don't want, honestly. Then, of course, I followed it up with our Daytime Defender, which has the sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 30. You can use any one of the eye creams. We have our firming eye cream, we have our TimeWise eye cream, and we have our Repair eye cream. I prefer the Repair because of the benefits that are in it. And then, of course, you will see a difference in your skin, increased firmness, improved in your radiance. My skin is already around my eyes. You can see that it's getting hydrated already, just waiting for it like this. And that when it's ready to go over and put my makeup on, put my foundation and stuff on, it will be ready to absorb the foundation primer and prepare it for that. So it's always important to prep your skin properly before you try to put makeup on. Makeup is only there to protect your skin throughout the day. Your skincare is going to change your skin. It's going to help your skin become healthier. Do you love my yellow wall? I'm trying to figure out if that's the color I want. I'm trying to figure out what yellow I want. So you'll have to excuse that. So our Miracle Set, that is our TimeWise Miracle Set. It came in 4 pieces. It was our 4-in-1 cleanser. It had our moisturizer, antioxidant moisturizer, our day and our night defender. And then, of course, I used, as always, our Skin Sonic brush. I love our brush. I absolutely love it. Can't do without it. So stay tuned and we'll come right back. We'll finish our face. Okay, just to go back over a little refresh here, a review before I put on my makeup. Always, this is really essential. Start by washing your face with a very gentle cleanser. I prefer our 4-in-1 cleanser Miracle Set. It does 4 things. It cleanses, refreshes, exfoliates, and then tones. Those 4 things. And it's using part of our patent complex in there. So that is important. I use it with my Skin Vigorette Sonic brush. It removes 4 times more dirt, oil, impurities, makeup, and pollutants than hand cleansing or washcloths. The other item that we had was our antioxidant moisturizer. It's a non-greasy, quick absorption, just dab into the 4 spots, right? And then with the head massager, right? Then we're going to massage that lotion, that moisturizer in so it gets into our pores. This is in the daytime. And then that's going to help hydrate that for 4 hours. And then we're going to follow up with the next step, which is our daytime defender with the sunscreen Broad Spectrum 30. And this helps visible premature skin aging while defending against daily environmental stressors. And 20% is age, 80% is environmental. Isn't that interesting? Yes, it is. So grab your makeup bag and let's finish this look. Okay, so let's talk about preventing and targeting uneven skin tones. So I have this little guy here, right? I have some dark areas that came from just, you know, not taking care of my skin properly. I mean, face it, ladies. We learn things as we start to get a little more seasoned. And when I was younger, I was one of 4 boys, and skincare was not a conversation, if you know what I mean. So today, let's go through. So if you have washed your face, okay, and I've used the 4-in-1 cleanser, there are some boosters in our clinical solution family, and those little boosters, we're going to talk about 2 of them today. One of my favorite boosters is the Ferulic and Niacinamide Brightener. I absolutely love this one, and here is why. This little booster is going to brighten, and it improves my overall appearance of uneven skin tone. And whether we realize it or not, sometimes you never have that problem, and other times you do. Mine primarily comes from just sun. Not taking care of my skin properly when I was in the sun. This has ferulic acid, which is, you know, like, what is that? If you watch a lot of advertisements and commercials, which I do not, because I think they're a waste of my time, you're going to see that a lot. You're going to see ferulic acid a lot. Okay, so what does it do? It helps prevent free radical formation on our skin surface, okay? Its skin soothing properties help limit key causes of the discoloration. So the niacin, which is basically vitamin B3, okay, it significantly decrease the visible signs of discolored hyperpigmentation. I had a customer for years ago that she had hyperpigmentation. I've seen a couple of ladies walking around in our area that have this. So it will, by protecting that skin's barrier and double as an antioxidant, it will help prevent that, right? And it will also decrease the amount that it is. It also has navy bean extract, which we all know, or maybe we don't, but we know navy bean extract reduces visible contrast of the dark spots. So if you like what you're hearing and you want to learn more, hit that or subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can catch more videos. So when and how to use this particular product. Okay, so this one, right, the Ferulic and the niacin, it comes with a dropper, boom, boom. And so I'm just going to, after you cleanse, and if you use a toner twice a day, use this in the morning and at night. And I literally just put it on my fingers, and then I gently pat it all around where I want it, right? I don't really have problems up here on my forehead or anything like that, but I do have the difference and the discoloration here. Of course, avoid your eye area and specifically there. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and you can use the Skin Vigorate Sonic Brush with the massaging head. It's just going to help get it in a little bit deeper. Comment below dark spots if you want me to contact you and help you. Otherwise, just go ahead and place your order. My website link is down below, and the discount, I will put that discount down. Just register as a customer. Other product that I absolutely like is our HA, which is our Ceramide and Hydrator. Okay, I put this up on my forehead, same thing, drops, and I massage it in. This one just helps with very fine lines, areas, like if you've got some areas, I have these lines around my mouth and on the sides of my, right here. That's HA, Ceramide and Hydrator. And I just put these right here. They help with the lines I get right around my mouth, in between my brows. I Don't know why I have this. I hope I don't frown like that much. To start lifting my brows up. Hi, my friends. So here is my final look for the day. This is where I'm going. I'm going to put on some earrings and some jewelry. But you know, this is the holiday palette and lip pencil. It is called this is the Velvet Lip Crayon and the Holiday Palette. Colors are just awesome. This is a very nice little palette. Looks gorgeous. I love the colors. So many different choices. So many ways you can wear these colors. Individually, put them all together, take and move them around. Today I used the pink diamonds with the Legacy Lilac and the Burgundy Crown. Yesterday I had on the iconic pink and the pink diamonds. Very simple, just quick and easy. And then I wore the pink, actually they call it the rose, and this is the velvet. It's much lighter, but I'm being bold today. So my friend, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. So anytime one of my videos are being uploaded, you will not miss out. So again, catch me tomorrow and I will see you again. Grab your makeup bag